32-inch flat screen TV versus Dollar Store BB gun. Don't think anything will happen, but guess we'll find out. That came back and hit me. Looks like something did happen. Oh, nothing happened. Well, wait, no. I think something happened. Yeah, right here's a little mark. That's it. That's why you don't get Dollar Store BB guns. This is the Responder 911 BB gun. I mean, if you want to get something that'll just like fun to play with, then I'd recommend getting this, but otherwise don't get it if you're looking to try to break something. This is a light bulb.